is English of Standard 3rd, and name of the lesson is Pinocchio. Dear children, here Pinocchio is a puppet. See this? Here you can see some pictures of puppets. What is the meaning of puppet? Do you know? Puppet means a movable model of a person or animal that is typically moved either by strings controlled from above or by a hand inside it. Here you can see here this puppet. In this puppet you can see a hand is inside, and these two puppets, they are controlled by the string from above. Okay, in this lesson here this is Pinocchio. He is a puppet, but he is a wooden puppet. Got this? Okay, let us move to the story. Lesson number 35, Pinocchio. Once upon a time, there was a piece of wood, a common block of firewood. It was found in the shop of carpenter. Carpenter is a man who works with the wood. Okay? But whenever he put his tools to the block to cut it, to carve it, or to scrap it, it began to talk. Oh, that hurt. Or, don't break me, please. Or, oh, that tickles. You know the meaning of tickles? Tickles means gudgudi hona. Okay? Just then, his neighbor Geppetto came to ask for a piece of wood. Geppetto wanted to make a wooden puppet that could run, jump, and make its way around in the world. So the carpenter readily gave the piece of wood to Geppetto. Geppetto brought the piece home and carved it into a puppet lovingly. As he had no family, he began to think of the puppet as his son and named him Pinocchio. But Pinocchio was a quite naughty puppet. As soon as Geppetto taught it to walk, he ran out of the hut. He ran so fast that Geppetto could not catch him. A policeman caught him and brought him back to Geppetto. Got this story? Okay. Though Pinocchio was such a naughty puppet, Geppetto loved him dearly. He would do anything for his son. But Pinocchio was not always nice to his father. He always promised to be a good boy and tell the truth and obey his father, but more often than not, he forgot all his promises. Pinocchio thought he would go to school, learn reading in a day, writing the next day, and then arithmetic on the day after that. Then he planned to earn a lot of money for Geppetto. Geppetto felt very happy that Pinocchio wanted to go to school. So he went to the shop to buy the books. but they were very costly. He did not have the money for the school books. Though it was very cold, poor Geppetto sold his only coat to get the money for Pinocchio's school book. And he brought the books for Pinocchio. Okay? Pinocchio started for school. On the way, he came upon a puppet show. He forgot all about his plans to go to school. The naughty puppet that he was, he sold his school book and with that money bought a ticket to the show. When Pinocchio entered the puppet theater, the puppets on the stage saw him. They were very happy to see their brother. They forgot to their play and began to call out to him. In 2 leaps, Pinocchio was on the stage. They all began to hug and slap one another on the back and jump and clap. People who had come to see the play did not like this interruption at all. They began to shout. The puppet master was very annoyed. Annoyed means he became angry. He decided to throw Pinocchio into the fire. Pinocchio's puppet friends pleaded with the puppet master not to do that. Then, instead of Pinocchio, the puppet master chose another puppet for throwing into the fire. Now, Pinocchio was really good at heart. He was sorry for the other puppet. Very gallantly, he told the puppet master that he was ready to burn in the fire himself and the puppet master should spare the other puppet's life. The puppet master was not really a wicked master. Wicked means cruel. Okay? He let both puppets go. Not only that, he also gave Pinocchio 5 gold coins for his old father Geppetto when he heard his story. Now, did Pinocchio take these coins to Geppetto immediately? No. The silly little puppet that he was, he got into more and more mischief and trouble due to the coins. A kind fairy saved Pinocchio from the robbers who had caught Pinocchio for the coins. But when the fairy asked Pinocchio about the coins, he lied to her. But then a strange thing happened. The moment Pinocchio told a lie, his nose grew longer. With every lie, it grew longer and longer. Pinocchio was really frightened. He asked the fairy to forgive him and promised never to tell lies again. Now, Pinocchio did not learn to tell the truth or listen to the good advice of his friends and his father and the fairy easily. So, at the end of number of adventures, do you know where he found himself? Yes, at the bottom of the sea. You can see here, right? And there he was swallowed by a big shark that was 1 mile long. Poor Pinocchio, now at last he was truly sorry for all the foolish things that he had done. But once you get into a difficulty, it's not very easy to get out of it, isn't it? However, inside the stomach of the shark, Pinocchio saw a faint light. When he went near the light, surprise of surprises, he found Geppetto. Geppetto had been worried about Pinocchio since he had left home. He had searched for Pinocchio far and wide. During the search, he was swallowed by the shark. With great effort and courage, Pinocchio took himself and Geppetto out of the shark's stomach. He carried Geppetto back to the shore. After that, Pinocchio really proved to be a good boy. He began to work very hard to help Geppetto. When he heard that the fairy was ill, he sent her all the money that he was saving for himself. And then, to his joy and amazement, he found that he had turned into a real boy. Yes, Pinocchio wanted to be a real boy, a real son to his father, and not just a wooden puppet. He meant well, but he was only a little wooden puppet and did silly things he should not have done. You can read about all his antics in a book called The Adventures of Pinocchio. Okay? Yes, dear children, this is all about Pinocchio's small and short story. Got this? Now, dear children, we will move to the hard words from the lesson. See, this is firewood. See the picture. This is nothing but firewood. Here, wood that is burnt as a fuel. Okay? By this wood, Geppetto carved Pinocchio. Isn't it? Next is carpenter. See, he is a carpenter. Means a person who makes and repairs wooden objects and structures. Next thing is carve. See the carvings on the wood. Here you can see the two pictures. Meaning is cut in order to produce an object, design or inscription. This is called carving. Okay? Adventures. See these boys, they are on adventure. An unusual and exciting or daring experience. Interruption. The meaning is the action of interrupting or being interrupted. Disturb करना. Okay? Break करना. Swallow. See this? The whale is swallowing the small fish. Isn't it? Cause or allow something, especially food or drink, to pass down the throat. Nigalna. Okay? we will move to the exercise part. Use the following words in your own sentences. Readily, see here, lovingly, annoyed, pleaded. Yes, these are from the textbook. Here these phrases or words are given that we have to use in our own sentence. First one is readily. Okay, I will write here one. You have to write one more to the same word. Okay, readily. He readily undertook the task. Readily means here quickly. Okay. Next, lovingly. They would not awake until the sun had smiled lovingly upon them. Lovingly means प्यार से, right? They would not awake until the sun had smiled lovingly upon them. Annoyed means गुस्सा, angry. She was annoyed because she feared it would lead to unhappiness. You can write your own sentence. Okay? Pleaded. Pinocchio's puppet friends pleaded with the puppet master to leave Pinocchio. गिड़गिड़ाना. Pleaded means request करना, गिड़गिड़ाना. Okay? Pinocchio's puppet friends pleaded with the puppet master to leave Pinocchio. Some more are there. Next is gallantly, immediately, at last, and last one is truly. Okay, see here, gallantly. The new fighters behave gallantly under fire. Okay, got this? You try one more for this. Okay, immediately, achanak. Immediately she was alert. Next is at last. At last the train arrived in the station. At last means, you know that, correct? At last we finished our game. At last the school left. Right? Like that. Truly. She truly wanted to help him. Sachi dil se, man se. Okay? She truly wanted to help him. Okay, got this? Next one is complete the following sentences in as many ways as possible. Here some phrases are given. Here we have to complete the given sentences as many ways as possible. Okay, we will try in three possible ways. See, once upon a time, dash. What you can write here? Once upon a time, there was a king. Right? Like this, once upon a time, there lived a king and a queen. We start our story like this, isn't it? Once upon a time, there was a... What we will write now? Once upon a time, there lived a woodcutter. Okay? Third one we will write like this. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful princess. You can add some more to this. Okay? Once upon a time, there was a naughty boy. Okay? Anything you can add for this. Next one is early one morning. सुबह सुबह, एक दिन सुबह, like that. Early one morning, a kitten entered my house. छोटा बिल्ली का बच्चा मेरे घर में आया. For this, like that, you can write anything here. Second one we will write, early one morning, I went out to meet him. I went out to meet my friend. Okay? Early one morning, there was a huge sound of blast. बहुत जोर से आवाज आया. कभी early one morning. Yes, dear children, here also you can add some more sentences. Okay. Next one is last night. कल रात को. Like that. Last night I heard a whisper between two. कल रात को मैंने दो जन की धीरे धीरे से बोलने की, विस्पर करने की बातें सुनी, विस्पर सुनी. Okay. I heard a whisper between two. Like that they were talking. Last night there was a heavy rain with winds. बहुत जोरदार बारिश थी हवा के साथ. Right? Last night that dog ran away. कुत्ता भाग गया. Like this, here also you can add some more sentences for last night. Got this, children? Answer the following questions. Dear children, here we can see 5 questions. Okay? Now we will try to find out the answer for these 5 questions. First one, why did the carpenter give the piece of wood to Geppetto? Geppetto को वो piece of wood carpenter क्यों देता है? Okay? Why did the carpenter give the piece of wood to Geppetto? Answer we will write. Geppetto wanted to make a wooden puppet that could run, jump, and make its way in the world. So, the carpenter gave the piece of wood to Geppetto. What the answer? Yes? He wanted to make a puppet that could run, jump, and make its way in the world. So, carpenter gave the piece of wood to Geppetto. Okay? We will move to the second one. Question is, what did the puppet Pinocchio want? Yes, what he want? The answer is, Pinocchio wanted to be a real boy and a real son to his father. Isn't it? He wanted to become a real boy and a real son to his father Geppetto. Question number 3. Why could Pinocchio not become a real boy? क्यों नहीं बन पाता है वो real boy? Answer. Pinocchio could not become a real boy because he actually was a puppet carved from a piece of wood. Isn't it? He was made from the firewood. Isn't it? And he was very naughty. So he could not become a real boy to his father. Next one. Fourth question. Why did Pinocchio's nose become long? उसका नाक लंबा लंबा होता गया, है ना? Why? क्यों ऐसा हुआ? Answer. Pinocchio's nose became long because he lied to the fairy. उसने झूठ बोला. Isn't it? Because he lied to the fairy. The more lies he told, the longer the nose became. जितना उसने झूठ बोला उतना उतना उसका नोज क्या हो गया? लंबा लंबा होता गया. Right? Next one. Fifth. How did Pinocchio become a real boy at the end? At last, वो real boy कैसा बना? Yes, the answer is Pinocchio began to work hard to help Geppetto. He even sent all his money to the fairy when he knew that she was ill. Because of his good deeds, he finally became a real boy. Here, Pinocchio began to work hard to help Geppetto. वो अपने फादर के मदद करने के लिए बहुत हार्ड वर्क करने लगा. Right? Then he even sent all his money to the fairy when he knew that she was ill. जब भी उसको मालूम पड़ा कि फेरी बीमार है तो उसने अपने पास जितने पैसे थे पूरे के पूरे पैसे उसने फेरी के लिए भेज दिए. बिकॉज ऑफ हिज गुड डीड्स, ये सब अच्छा काम का नतीजे से वो क्या हो गया, वो रियल बॉय बन गया. Got this? Okay, now we will move to the next one. See here, give one example for each of the following. Here we have to give one example for each sentence. See this first one. Pinocchio's naughtiness. You know that Pinocchio was very naughty. Here we have to give one example to tell that Pinocchio was a naughty boy. Okay, we will try to write here. See here, as soon as Pinocchio learned to walk, what he did? He ran out of the hut so fast that Geppetto could not catch him. A policeman caught him and brought back to the Geppetto. Isn't it? He was so naughty that when he learned to walk, he ran out of the hut. And Geppetto could not catch him because he ran fast. After that, a policeman caught him and brought back to the Geppetto. Isn't it? Brought back him to the Geppetto. Right? Next one. Pinocchio's silly ideas about school. What he thought about the school? We will go through here. Pinocchio thought he would go to school, learn reading in a day, writing the next day, and arithmetic on the day after that. Yes, dear children, you are coming to school, right? From first standard, you are learning in the school. Then also, now you can read and write up to some mark. Correct? You can read, you can write, but up to one level. Isn't it? But here, see, this Pinocchio thought that he would go to school and he will learn reading in a single day. And he will learn to write that next day. And he will learn to solve the arithmetic problems on the day after that, means on the third day. Is it possible? No, na? Yes, this is the silly idea about the school in Pinocchio's mind. This is third one. Geppetto's love for Pinocchio. Yes, here Pinocchio was loved by Geppetto. You know that, correct? You will write, Geppetto loved Pinocchio so much that when he knew that Pinocchio wanted to go to school, he sold his only coat to get the money for Pinocchio's books. He was poor. He wasn't have the money. Right? But what he did? He sold his only one coat and he got money for Pinocchio's books. Right? Last one. The puppet master's kindness. Okay, we will write here. Puppet master, though he was very angry with Pinocchio, finally decided not to throw him or any other puppet into the fire. Not only that, when he heard Pinocchio's story, he gave him 5 gold coins to give to poor Geppetto. Right? The puppet master became very angry at the starting when he met Pinocchio. Right? But afterwards what? He heard his story. Then he gave 5 gold coins to him to help his father. Right? Thank you very much. Dear children, please listen Pinocchio 2 to 3 times. Okay?